Hey guys, welcome back. I'm edcgunner, and today I just want to talk to you how I get to my watches and how I find and how I manage to get all that stream of new watches on my channel. And I trade, I hustle, I uh, I would love to keep all my watches that I showed you. I would love to have and to keep them in my collection, but naturally I want to progress, I want to move forward, and also I get to show you new watches as well. And sometimes I borrow watches, sometimes I pay a guy a meal so I can shoot his watch and something like that. And Yeah, so I want to talk to you how you can help me if you want. If you don't want, but that's alright. I'm gonna still keep doing what I'm doing, and as long as I'm able, I will keep making these videos because I truly enjoy talking and communicating with you guys. But you can help me out. First of all, I set up a Patreon page, but before that, I want to just say my preferred method is for you guys go on Amazon and buy yourself something and you can help me out. So on each of my video you will find description box links to that product, to that watch, and affiliate links on Amazon. Even you don't have to buy the watch, you just use my affiliate link. Through my link, go to Amazon and get yourself something, and I will usually get a little cutback, and that really helps a lot, and I use that money to invest in my channel. Also, I set up a Patreon page, EDC Gunner. So I thought everyone's doing it, and people are asking me, why don't you have a Patreon page? And everyone's having it, from the big time YouTubers, from TGV to the smaller guys. Everyone has it, so I decided I'd jump on the bandwagon and I set up a Patreon page. It's not obligatory, but I'm just putting it out there. I do have a Patreon, so if you want, you can help out as little as $1. It can really goes a long way, and I will use all that money to go invest in the channel, to buy new equipment and everything else, and mostly watches, because who needs a new equipment? We need new watches. So yeah, that's it. Little short video. And also, if you don't have the means to buy on Amazon, you don't have the means to flick a few bucks on Patreon, you can also help support the channel. If you like the channel, if you are a fan of the channel and you like what I'm doing, you can, each video you can share with your friends, you can leave a comment, you can leave a thumbs up, and those three things really helps a lot. So it's really appreciated. So at least leave a thumbs up or share with your friends. So it doesn't cost anything and truly helps